Hi, Sudeshna.
Hello. Good morning, Tisha. How are you?
I'm good. Do you have some time before class?
Yeah. Say another 10 minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
Come in.
Let's start with the first question then. What is your morning routine before class?
Well, today is a Saturday, so of course I walked to my center, and it was nice, cool, breezy walk. So I have a lot of endorphins in me, so I'm all pepped up for the class today.
Okay. Do you see any difference between your morning students and your afternoon students?
Yes, of course. Very minor difference, not much. Just that my afternoon students, when they come to class, they come with all the stories that happened back. Like what this happened in class, I did this in school. And my morning students, when they come to class, they talk about the future. So they talk about they're going to have birthday parties, or they're going to have play dates, or something like that. That's the only difference I see.
Right. And is there something your students may not know about you?
I'm a trained Bharatanatyam dancer.
There was a quote or a saying that you live your life by. What would it be?
It's also on my WhatsApp status. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going.
Oh, well, okay. And what song do you know all the lyrics for?
There are actually a lot of Bollywood songs I know, but I love the movie Sound of Music. That's been my childhood favorite. So I kind of know most of the songs, especially Do Re Mi and Raindrops and Roses, by heart. I still sing them.
Yes, okay. Thank you, Sudeshna, for your time.
Thank you. Have a nice day, Trisha.
You too.
Bye-bye.